For you to win a karaoke, you have to be the worst singer. You know we have sung karaoke, me and you.
Yes, we have.
Before.
Yeah.
Tulikuwa tumepiga ma shots you guys.
Kabisa.
Kwanza tulimbaga ile mziki. I was gonna make love to you, but I got high.
In my room until I got high. I was gonna get up and find the broom.
I was gonna eat your
Pucci
too. But
I got high.
Now I'm jacking off, and I know why.
But because I got high. Because I got high. Because I got high. Winnie Muregi is a very good pastor.
Winnie Muregi. Shout out.
Alikuwa ameniambia alikusalimia. My question today is karaoke for people who can sing or for people who cannot sing?
For people who sing in the bathroom.
So those are people who cannot sing.
Yeah.
When it comes to giving those shots and those rewards, do we give the best singer or the worst singer?
You're just appreciating everybody.
There is always the best and the worst.
The best anafaa apatiwe maybe kama kamzinga ama apatiwe 6-pack.
Na worst?
Worst. Pia akuwe appreciated at least ame come out.
Exactly. So huo ndio star wa show.
Exactly.
Si huyu best. Huyu best already anajua anaweza imba.
Ndio nimekwambia karaoke si ama watu wanajua kuimba, ni watu wenye uimbia kwa bathroom huko wanaogopa
kuimba.
Juu maybe sauti zao zinatoa chura pangoni.
Oh, I wanted to understand because you see, you remember Njeri? That friend our country, that Kadoki.
Oh yeah.
There's a time I saw on her feeds, alikuwa ameenda karaoke. So they had gone for karaoke with her pals. So she's singing really badly.
Oh my gosh!
Like pathetic singing, you guys. Like croaking. That is not even singing. So I'm like, award-winning karaoke singer. Because for you to win a karaoke, you have to be the worst singer. Nitakutumia kitu Njeri.
So huyo sasa ndio karaoke ni yake.
Karaoke is for them. Karaoke is not for those people who can sing. It's for those people who cannot sing. Okay.
So ndio waweza because wanasoma lyrics on the screen because they can't sing.
They can't sing.